we'll do a string making video later, but for now I'm going to show you how I help to silence a recurve. The string will, on the recurve, it'll slap the bow right here in that string groove when it fires. So I wrap wool yarn on there where it's going to contact. Then I make string silencers out of wool yarn, so it works really good for me. So this is my bow from last year that I shot, and as you can see, this is what we're talking about, and man, it makes a world of difference to make your bow quiet. Loop it through the end, and we'll tie it there, and that's where we're gonna start. Yeah, you just wrap it around. There's nothing to it. Obviously, you want to get it just like you're serving a string, a bowstring. Now I'm going to show you how to make the fuzz ball string silencers. I don't even count, just whatever. Whatever you think's good. We're going to do a real thick one for you guys. Alright, that'll be good. Yeah, about like that. And so you got this loop. All we're gonna do is stick that through. So I put mine about 12 inches down. We'll go over it. And we're going to try to get all that through there. And then we'll put it on the bow to finish it. Make sure it's as close together as possible. Okay, and I've got the bow strung up now, so it's it's very tight on this little fuzz ball now. And all you do is you go in, you got to cut all the loops off, and then as you shoot the bow a few times, it gets real fuzzy. Another thing you can do is you can tie this guy into your string. That way when you unstring it, it doesn't come loose. This fuzz is going to fly out as you shoot. You'll see little pieces, little hairs come flying out of these for a while. That's fine. Like I said, I've had mine on that other bow for a year, and I shot the crap out of it and I hunted a whole year with it, drug it around the woods, and they're fine. So this is what it looks like before you really shoot it much. Shoot, or just do one of these, and yeah, you can kind of see this fuzz flying, but you get the idea. You shoot it a few times, and it's gonna get real poofy. So, wool yarn string silencers.